This is the Arinsky Feather Down Comforter. It is in a king size. This is a queen size bed that I have it on because I'm going to put it in a duvet. This is the duvet insert, and I'm going to put it in a duvet that is a queen size that fits the bed because I want it to be extra fluffy. So I have this really, really paper thin comforter, and then the insert is right here. And what I did was I tied my regular comforter and then put the strings through the down insert to go inside the duvet cover. This is what people do who live in really cold states. And here's what it looks like with a king-sized in a queen-sized actual duvet cover.